Imagine hiccuping for 68 years. Charles Osborne, an Iowa farmer, did just that. He started hiccuping in 1922 while attempting to weigh a hog. Suddenly, a hiccup. Then another, and another. They didn't stop until 1990. That's over 2.5 billion hiccups. Doctors believe a broken blood vessel damaged part of his brain, causing the unending hiccups. But hiccuping didn't stop Charles. He married twice and fathered 8 children. A remarkable man with a remarkable story. So next time you have a bout of hiccups, remember Charles Osborne and his 68-year hiccup marathon. And subscribe for more.